today I'm giving you 3 things that you definitely need to add in your media kit. If you're new here, my name is Nuri and I am a content creator / influencer coach. First of all, what is a media kit? Well, a media kit is a document or a presentation that you present to brands when they ask you for your rate card. What is a rate card? A rate card and a media kit are basically the same thing. On this rate card / media kit, you will have information that is very important in order for the brand to decide whether they want to work with you or not. The first thing that I would highly recommend that you include in your media kit is analytics. I normally have screenshots of my page. I have 3 screenshots per platform. I do my page, my reach for the last 30 days and my reach for the last 90 days. This is for Instagram. For TikTok, I do the same thing, but it will be video views. So my page, my views over the last 28 days and my views over the last 60 days. It's also great if you can add it in a little phone. Every time you send your media kit off, you would have to then update these. So you just go to your insights in Instagram and TikTok, take a screenshot, and then you will add that to your Canva document and pop it into the phone template. The second thing I would highly recommend that you include in your media kit is your rates. For platform number 1, which would be Instagram, you would include your rate for your in-feed post, which is your carousel or your static post, your reels and stories. Those are 3 different types of content for one platform. For TikTok, I would do the same, a video, which would be like in-feed, a live, and a story. Then I would also add additional. If you're into events or emceeing, you could add a rate per hour for emceeing at events, or you could add a rate for UGC content creation, which is something I'm going to speak about in another video. And the third simple, subtle thing I would add in my media kit, which I do have, is linking each platform to your media kit. The very first page of mine, I have the platform and how many followers I have, but the platform name is linked, therefore making it easier for the brand to access your social media. So those are the 3 of the things that I would include and that I do include in your media kit or your rate card. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Goodbye.